This is 8th standard English. We are going to see today about the word ladder. Okay, what is word ladder? A word ladder is a word game where you get a starting word and an ending word. Starting from the first word, you have to change the letters one at a time to reach the last word. And here, see, for example, it is given cold to warm. That is cold, then cord, then card, board, warm. So in this way you can cold to heat. Same way you can write cold, hold, held, head, heat. Then cat to dog, cat, caught. Then dot, dog. Then man to ape, man, mat, opt, apt, ape. Like this. Tea to pot, tea, pea, pet, then pot. Now the next thing that we are going to see is about word chain. A word chain is a word game that begins with the letter that previous word has ended with. A particular theme may be given for the words. For example, theme nouns. So banana, then apple, elephant, tiger, rhinoceros. So this way you can prepare the word chain. For example, teacher. So with teacher, then what it is? Report. Ending words. Okay, so here, so prepare a word chains beginning with the given theme, school, and words related to theme. So related to school, now teacher, then report, timetable, exams. So see here the ending words. Here R is there, so your starting is R. Your T is ending, your T is the starting, timetable. So your E is the ending letter, and your exam. So from the same ending word, here the new word is starting. So like this. Then there is a next thing that we are having, that is the word play, right? So how the words can be there, and it is very interesting. So there are tongue twisters. So tongue twisters, why it is there? So to help us to make our pronunciation also clear, and our tongue should be flexible enough to pronounce or say that words. Okay, how we can utter or say a particular or a kind of or a type of word. So we are knowing the tongue twisters. Betty bought a butter, but the butter was bitter, so Betty bought some butter. So like this the tongue twisters are there. So you can write the tongue twisters there. You can write the word chain. You can prepare. You can take a theme and you can write. So it's very interesting. So this words. Then there is word pyramids. One more thing. What is word pyramid? Word pyramid is a word building game where you start with one or two letters and add one letter on either side of each step to make the pyramid. So this is a pyramid. Okay, I is given example. So here I N, in, then TIN, 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 tint, then STIN, stint. So see here the sound is there, in is there in every word, and here it is, the structure is like this, that is pyramid. Then there are homophones. Now what are homophones? Homophones are the words that sound the same but have different spellings and meanings. For example, write and write. Here write and write, we pronounce the see the spellings are different. One is WRITE, write, and one is RIGHT, write. Now here both the meaning is also different, but the pronunciation is, the sound is same. Okay, then for example, fair. Okay, FARE, fair, then FAIR, fair. Here, so there are the different, that is homophones and one is homographs. These two are usually asked in your questions, okay, in your papers, somewhere during grammars and all. So it's just one is homophone, that is the sound is same but the spelling and meaning is also different. Here homographs. Now see what are homographs. Homographs are words with only one spelling and are pronounced in same way but have different meanings. For example, light, L-I-G-H-T, light, that is not heavy. And here same spelling is there, see, L-I-G-H-T, light, but the meaning is different. Not heavy, and here light means bright. Yes, L-I-G-H-T means bright. So this way you can have your word exploration and word knowledge.